Hi, my friends. I'm Lily, and welcome back to Speak English Daily, the podcast where you listen and speak at the same time. Today, I'm sharing a different kind of daily routine. This is my productive work from home day. But remember, you're not just listening. You're shadowing me. Listen first. Then repeat exactly what I say. Copy my rhythm, copy my tone, copy my speed. Don't overthink grammar. Let your mouth learn the natural flow of English. Ready? Let's begin. Morning energy routine. Shadow practice. Listen first, then shadow me. I wake up without an alarm today. The room is quiet and calm. I open my eyes slowly. The light feels soft and warm. I take a deep breath. I stretch my legs. I sit up gently. I roll my shoulders back. I smile to myself. I feel grateful for a new day. I get out of bed. I make my bed neatly. I open the curtains wide. Sunlight fills the room. Fresh air comes in. I take another deep breath and I feel awake. I go to the bathroom. I splash water on my face. The water feels cool. I brush my teeth carefully. I look in the mirror. I say, "Today will be a good day." I change into workout clothes. I tie my hair back. I put on my sneakers. Morning movement, shadow practice. I roll out my yoga mat. I start with light stretching. I raise my arms slowly. I bend forward gently. I touch my toes. I breathe in deeply. I breathe out slowly. I begin a short workout. I do 10 squats. I do 10 push-ups. I feel my muscles working. My heart beats faster. I feel strong. I feel energized. I drink a glass of water. I wipe my face with a towel. I feel refreshed. Healthy breakfast. Shadow practice. I walk into the kitchen. I prepare a healthy smoothie. I add bananas and strawberries. I pour in some milk. I blend everything together. The smoothie looks colorful. It smells sweet. I pour it into a glass. I take a slow sip. It tastes fresh and natural. I feel my body waking up. I sit at the table. I open my notebook. I write 3 goals for today. I focus on what matters most. I feel clear and organized. Work from home routine, shadow practice. I turn on my laptop. I check my emails. I reply to urgent messages. I plan my schedule. I open my task manager. I review my priorities. I start my first project. I type carefully. I concentrate fully. I avoid distractions. I silence my phone. I stay focused. I take short breaks every hour. I stand up and stretch. I look away from the screen. I rest my eyes. I take a deep breath. Midday reset. Shadow practice. It's time for lunch. I prepare a simple meal. I cook some rice. I grill some chicken. I add fresh vegetables. The colors look bright. The food smells delicious. I sit down and eat slowly. I enjoy every bite. I avoid checking my phone. I stay present. After lunch, I take a short walk. I step outside. The air feels warm. I walk around the block. I listen to a podcast. I feel relaxed. Afternoon productivity, shadow practice. I return to my desk. I drink another glass of water. I continue my work. I join an online meeting. I turn on my camera. I greet my team. I share my ideas clearly. I take notes carefully. I ask thoughtful questions. I feel confident speaking. I contribute to the discussion. The meeting ends. I finish my remaining tasks. I check everything twice. I send my final emails. I close my laptop. Personal growth time. Shadow practice. I sit quietly for 10 minutes. I close my eyes. I practice mindfulness. I focus on my breathing. I let my thoughts pass. I feel calm and centered. I read 10 pages of a book. I learn something new. I underline important ideas. I reflect on what I read. Evening wind down, shadow practice. I prepare a light dinner. I cook something simple. I play soft music. The room feels peaceful. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wipe the table. I wash the dishes. I organize the counter. I take a warm shower. The water feels relaxing. I wash away the stress. I feel fresh and clean. Night routine, shadow practice. I put on comfortable pajamas. I dim the lights. I write in my journal. I list 3 good things about today. I feel thankful. I set my alarm. I place my phone away from my bed. I turn off the lights. I lie down quietly. I close my eyes. I breathe in slowly. I breathe out gently. My body relaxes. My mind feels light. I let go of the day. I drift into sleep peacefully. Amazing work. You've just shadowed a complete productive work-from-home daily routine. Remember, shadowing is not about perfection. It's about rhythm. It's about repetition. It's about building speaking muscle. Practice this daily, and your English will start flowing naturally. Come back tomorrow, shadow with me again, and let's make English a habit. This is Lily. See you in the next lesson.